Hello children, today we are learn demonstrative word this and that. See and say with me. This and that are used with singular noun. This indicates something is near to the speaker, and that indicates to more distant objects. Let's go to the practice. First we practice with this. This is a hen. This is a hen. This is a fish. This is a fish. This is a goat. This is a goat. This is a car. This is a car. This is a sunflower. This is a sunflower. Let's go to the next practice. Practice with that. That indicates two more distance object. See and say with me. That is a dog. That is a dog. That is a bag. That is a bag. That is a pot. That is a pot. That is a bird. That is a bird. That is a tree. That is a tree. Practice with this and that. Use of this and that. See and say with me. This and that are used with singular noun. This is a plant. This is a plant. That is an aeroplane. That is an aeroplane. This is a cat. This is a cat. That is an umbrella. That is an umbrella. This is a table. This is a table. That is a chair. That is a chair. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. That is an orange. That is an orange. Children, I hope you understand use of this and that. Thank you. Bye-bye.